Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on how we can create a ledger report in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL here, which is login.iq-Metallika. You can see login.iq-Metallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login homepage. Now every user of iQ-Metallika has their own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to them. You need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just press enter button to select the company, the site, and the year, not the module in which you want to enter. So ledger comes under financial management, so we'll take financial here and press enter. Now this is the home page for the financial management. Now we'll move to the upper side. We can see reports here. When I click reports, all the different reports will open up. Now when I'll go to the general ledgers, the first one is the ledger. So we'll create the ledger report. I select the ledger and this is the form for the ledger report. Now we need to understand what is ledger. When we're gonna create a ledger report, it would give us all the transactional summary day to day for a particular account. If I choose a customer's account, then it will give me a ledger report in which there are all the transactions coming in, going, outgoing, all the balance, summary, everything. So I'll just show you. First we need to select the account name. So let's say for this account, alright, and date. So let's say we need to mention the time period for which we want to check ledger. So we'll select it from 1st of April. Either you can type in manually or you can select it from calendar. Till date is 3rd November. So let's say this, and from below you can check for different reports format. So let's start with ledger. For generating report, we'll move to the upper side and you can see a magnifying glass here. This is preview. Now when I click preview, my report would be generated. Now you can see this is ledger for the period of 1st of April to 3rd November. Now you can see the voucher code, voucher date, head narration, debit credit balance, everything. The portion which is highlighted are sales. You can see everyone is sales here. Now when I'll move to downward, you can see these are the bank transactions. These are not highlighted. Now again the sales, these are highlighted. Alright, again the sales were highlighted. So this is the ledger for 3 electricity board. Now let's check for another. So let's check for ledger with voucher detail. Alright, I'll highlight this and I'll go again to the preview. I select preview and my report will be generated. Now you can see ledger with voucher details. Now when I'll move to downward, you can see the voucher code, dates, sales were highlighted here. You can see the excise duty, sales on TMT, general, VAT on sales, right? The next ledger, these are for the account of 3 electricity board which we selected. Balance is here. So this is the report. You can see the closing balance is this. Now coming backward, now let's check for the daily ledger book. Yeah, let's check for the daily ledger book. So go to the preview and my report will be generated in next few seconds. If you select a use time period, it might take some time to launch. Now you can see it's a daily ledger book, the debit, credit, closing balance. Now done making all the transactions. You can see date wise. So it's gonna very big. Alright, so this is ledger book date wise. And coming backward again, now let's go for tagging report. Okay, now I search for the report and here is the tagging report. I zoom it. Yeah, you can see the voucher code, the date, the account name, Now the amount, bill number, and you can see the tagged voucher here and the tagging amount. Alright, so again you can see closing balance, pending amount, all the details here in this report. So this is how you can generate ledger report. This is very simple, and if you want to exit from here, you can just move to upside, and just next to the calculator is the exit button. I just click the exit button, and yes, we want to exit, and we came back to the home page. So this is how you can make report of ledger in iQ-Metallika system. Hope this video would help you.